Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel ABCS Preparation Site. So guys, today I bring a course that is a cybersecurity course, and there are two courses available under this topic. So today I will tell you that how you can enroll for this course and how you can study this course. In the entire information I will share today, and this course is totally free and the certification also provide freely. So no need to worry about anything. Before starting the content of this video, if you're new to our channel, please subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon so that you will not miss the update of upcoming videos. So now we'll move on to the content of this video. So now we'll go to the browser here, and this course is provided by Cisco Networking Academy. Yes, both courses are totally free. So don't worry about anything. The entire information, the process I will tell you. Just follow the video properly so that you will not miss any information or step to enroll for these courses. So before starting any content, first we have to register for this website. If you new to this website, then first go for the registration, and this is the link, and the link for the registration I will share on the description part, so don't worry about it. Directly this page will be open for the registration. So after opening this link, we'll go to the registration process. Provide your email ID, first name, last name, your country, and the company if you are working. Otherwise, mention your college name and go to the create a password, re-enter your password. And would you like to get update from the Cisco promotion product and service, then click on yes. If no, then go to the no option, then click on the register. So after completing the registration, they will send an email for the verification purpose, and go to your email, verify your email ID. After that, you have an email ID and password, so we'll go to the sign in option. So here we'll go to this link. After opening this link, and this link also I'll share on the description part, so don't worry about it. After opening this link, we'll go to the login option, go to the login, then this page will be open. Provide your email ID, then go to the next option. After that, submit your password, then go to the sign in option. So after login, this page will be open. Now we'll go to the browse course catalog, click on it. There are other courses also available here, but I will tell you about cybersecurity course. See here the courses. Select the topic: networking, security, cybersecurity, IoT, OSIT, programming, business, packet tracker. So I will go to the cybersecurity option. See here, this one is the really important course, which is the intermediate level. So click on the learn more option, then we'll go to the sign up today. When you put mouse here, you will get the option of language. So click on language, then English, then new page will be open like this here. Now it will show that the course is in your list. So we'll go to the launch course option. This page will be open. See, this is the home. You can launch your course from here also. Otherwise, go to the module. See here, finish 1 by 1 articles. First time in this course, go to this option. Study what this course is about. Then go to the next option. See, study this. Then we'll go to the again next option. Like that you can continue to study and complete your study content. Next, now our first chapter. Launch your first chapter after clicking it. See here, this type of page will be open. Video option, and here is the chapter 1. And see here, next option. Then you can study here again next. So in this way you can continue your study. Now we'll go back. Another option I will show you. See here, return to class. Now, what are the assignments available? So, final quiz and the end of course feedback. Both are 100 point. You can complete these assignments, undated assignment, and that means there is no fixed date to complete this. Now we'll go to the quiz. Here is a final quiz which is 100 point, 50 questions, and these are the chapter wise quiz. And chapter 1, we'll go to the chapter 1 option. See here, the question are 11, points is 12, due date no due date, allowed attempt unlimited, time limit none. So we'll go to the take quiz option. See here, I already attempt this before, that's why it's shown here. I already completed this course again. I already complete this quiz. So see here the question 1. Similarly for next question, like that all questions I completed in the first quiz. So this is the procedure you can do. See your grades here and go to the discussion. You can discuss about anything here. Module, I already told it. And now I'll tell you, after completing this quiz, how you can get the certificates, that I will show you. Now we'll go to the NetCAD option. Then this page will be open. Go to your name, then go to the certificates and later. After going here, you will get the option here, your certificate of completion. That will show here, and you will download your certificates here. So in this way you can enroll for this course, study this course and complete this course. And if you need any information, any help, just comment below down so that I will provide the entire information or things that you need for this course. And if you're new to our channel, please subscribe our channel, hit the bell icon so that you will not miss the update of upcoming videos. Till then, goodbye, take care, have a good day, and thanks for watching our video.